on YouTube. Mateo Vlogs is back. Okay, different video for you guys today. I was filming on the G7X Mark II, died. Now we're on the iPhone X. Sorry, I should be saying X. Disregard the hair. We got a different video for you guys today, as I mentioned. Car products. Okay, skip to the next video. Wait for my next video if you're not into cars. If you haven't already subscribed to Mateo Vlogs, hit that subscribe button. And enough talking, let's just get right into this video. All right, so let me just show you guys what we have in front of us today. I thought I'd pick up some premium stuff. I was Googling what is the best car, automotive car products, detailing products. You got it, okay? And Chemical Guys was the first one to come up. There were some other companies like Adams, you got like General Brand, stuff like that, but I really like Chemical Guys. They ship to Canada. It was easy. They have a great following on YouTube. Everything will be down below for all these products, but I picked up some good stuff. Okay, so we got a couple, I'll get into it in more detail, but the first two, we just got like car wash soap. We got some scratch remover, swirl remover, interior for like leather, stuff like that, wheel cleaner, wheel dressing for like the tires, quick little detail spray after wash. So when you dry the car down with the microfiber towels, you spray this and it helps penetrate that water off the car. We got some clay luber with the actual clay bar, some applicator pads, some more applicator pads, the butter wet wax, which I absolutely love, and then we got the microfiber drying towels, different sizes, and then we got the wash mitt. So this video is just quickly gonna be going over exactly what these products are, how much it costs, what came in a bundle, what didn't come in a bundle. So let's get right into it. The following products I'm gonna be mentioning all came into one package. I'm gonna be putting some stuff over the screen just throughout the whole video. So this, I believe, was called the HOL or HL123 package from Chemical Guys. It came with a ton of products, great pricing. I actually used Amazon.com and I picked it up in the States. Compared to Amazon.ca, I think it was a little bit more expensive. With the conversion and duties and all that, it was still cheaper to go with the American Amazon and picking it up myself. So that's exactly what I did. The first thing that you're gonna see is the Citrus Wash and Gloss Ultra Premium Citrus Based Hyper Wash. It's just shampoo. It says super suds, 100% surface friendly, super slick washing experience, great citrus scent. So after doing some research, I'm just giving you my opinion on what these are after watching their videos on how they explain it. This is a great overall car shampoo for compared to all their other range of car shampoos. This one's gonna take away that debris and fallout and road grime and stuff and brake dust off the car very easily. It's not as soapy and bubbly or foamy, or I should say, compared to the other one. So this is just a good one. It also adds some gloss to enhance your paint as well. So it's very good. So second product here, guys, is Mr. Pink. It's the Super Sud Shampoo Superior Surface Cleanser. I would say it does the exact same job as the Wash and Gloss Citrus one, the yellow one that I just showed you guys, but it enhances that bubbly, foamy feeling. So if you have a foam cannon or a foam gun, this is great and probably one of the more recommended ones that's Chemical Guys recommends. I've used both of them already. I wanted to do a couple tries on my car before making this video, and then the later episodes will actually be if they work, my overall opinion, and then the reviews. So this one's a great one, just more foamy and looks a lot better, smells great. So moving on to the wheel cleaner, guys, but this is like their overall good wheel cleaner. It's the Signature Series. It's good for polished, painted, powder coated, or chrome. I've used this and I'll let you know how it was later on in the other episodes, but just like all the other ones, guys, removes the road grime, the brake dust, stuff like that, and not a bad product. We have the Silk Shine Dressing. They use this on their tires, but it can also be used on vinyl, rubber, tires, black plastic bumpers, mirrors, trims, and bumper guards. So a lot of people use this obviously for their tires, their trim right here, inside, engine bay, where you name it, it can be used anywhere. It does not leave any like shiny look. It just dries naturally and it looks, it says here, dry to the touch. No oily, greasy, or sticky residue. So there you go. So far, guys, everything I've mentioned does come in the package. I'll let you guys know if something did not come. The next thing is the Inner Cleaner Interior Quick Detailer. You can use the previous one, like I mentioned, the Silk Shine Dressing inside, for your interior, but the inner clear is more specified for the interior. All-purpose cleaner, cleans and protects, removes dirt and dust. It smells good. I think it's got like a coconut scent, good for like steering wheels and door jambs, leather, stuff like that. So not only does it work pretty good, but it smells great as well. So moving on to the outside of the car again, we got the VSS Scratch and Swirl Remover right here, guys. I've not yet used this, but I did open it up, see how it works kind of thing, smelt it. You're just supposed to dab it on an applicator, but they really recommend you to see better results is polishing on a polishing pad, which I do not have yet. I definitely want to pick one up so I can start actually polishing the correct way, and it's just going to be more time consuming, or less time consuming, sorry. But it's supposed to get rid of scratch and swirls compared to just like polishing, waxing, glazing, stuff like that. This is more just for removing those types of details on your car. So next we have the Speed Wipe Spray Gloss and Quick Detailer. So it's good for after washing a car if you don't want to clay bar it, or if you don't want to wax, polish, all that stuff. This is just to add like a nice little layer of protection, but it's better for like removing fingerprints and dust and stuff. A lot of people, or they chemical guys recommends keeping it in your car, and then if you have like bird droppings or tar or whatever, like something stuck on your paint, you can just spray this on and then bring a microfiber and just wash it off. So it's a good little like quick little shine that you can add to your car, remove little things on your car if you're on the go. But I'm gonna definitely try it after like a car wash. You don't always have to clay bar and do the polishing and then the waxing and the glazing and the sealing and stuff. This is just for like maintenance car washes. You just want to add like a quick little detail, a quick little shine to your car. I think this is what they mean, like you just add it to the end, buff it off, and then you just drive away. Alright guys, so I was kind of hesitant in buying this. This did not come in the package, but I've seen it in a lot of videos that they say. Obviously they're trying to sell their products, but so this is Chemical Guy's After Wash Shine While You Dry. Drying Aid technology releases water from surface, designed for drying any vehicle. So I have used this. Watch my next couple videos to see how I really liked it. But what it does is once the car is washed, fully washed, it still has water on it. You take your microfiber towel and you hold this in one hand, you spray it on the part of the vehicle that you are going to be drying off and laying your towel down. And once you spray this on, the water starts dripping off your car. Like it's like a wax that's already on your car. So it aids in helping the drying and it just comes off a lot faster. Stay tuned to watch that. This did not come in the package. The clay bar actually did, but the clay luber did not. And you can't just use the clay bar in the package without some kind of lubricant. And they do not recommend spraying water or spraying soap. So there's a lot of different brands out there, but I might as well stick to Chemical Guys. So to the clay bar, it's just gonna help. This is after you wash the car. If you don't know anything about clay barring, instantly removes rough environmental contaminants, which are pretty much stuck in the paint that you can't really get off. So if you want a clean slate, just your paint, your clear coat, this is what you need to get all that stuff off that a regular car wash with a mitt or a pressure washer and soap is not actually gonna come off. If you look at your car paint very in detail, if you haven't clay barred at all or you don't know what it is, you can probably see little things stuck in the paint that need to come off. You spray the clay luber, which is a lubricant, because if you just use the clay bar, it's gonna be stuck to the paint, like you're not even gonna be able to move it. So this acts as like a lubricant between the paint and the clay bar. You definitely need this or else you're gonna scratch the whole car, because this is scratching the car to get rid of it, but it's not scratching to the point where you see the scratches really because you have the lubricant. So yeah, you just spray this onto the car, spray it onto your thing, your clay bar, and then you just start cleaning the car and then wipe it off with a microfiber towel. So on to the last one, Better Wet Wax. This is the one I was most excited to get. I've seen a lot of people get this product, and even the Adams company and all the other companies always have like a butter wax, but they all name it differently. This one did come in the package that I was speaking to you guys about, and it's just a general wax made of carnauba, and smells unbelievable. This one you just put, after everything's done, this is the last final step. You wanna put it on an applicator pad, put it on your car, and then wait 15 minutes and then buff it off after to get that nice shine. So another thing that came into the package, guys, was the 2 applicator pads. I have not used these yet. I just kind of took this one out and put a little bit wax on here, but I've not used them. This one actually, these two actually come in the package. Now I'm just showing you one pack of 2 right now, but I think it came in a pack of 10 or 8. This is just Chemical Guys applicator pads. They're really good. You're gonna need them. So I just bought them pretty cheap, and they're just premium grade microfiber applicators. That's all. You just use it for a wax, a seal, stuff like that. So I got microfiber towels as well. What did come in the package were the 3 small ones. I guess you can use them for drying. They're just not as big, so I wouldn't really recommend. So then I purchased for an extra couple, whatever, 5, 10, 15 bucks, a big one, but I believe it's the same material. It's the same one, just a lot smaller. This is for with the speed wipe detailer you want to use, or anything with a microfiber, you're gonna need one to buff off or wax or whatever. You're gonna need these. So that came in it, the 3. The package, and then this one I bought separately, the big one. The last thing, guys, that came in the package was the wash mitt, made of all microfibers, little ones, and then you can tell just, yeah, so just general wash mitt, nothing really much to say about this. Came in the package, and that's about it, guys. So all that stuff came in this package except for the ones that I mentioned that did not. Everything's gonna be in the description below, guys. So as I mentioned, every single product that I have here, so the packet, the huge bundle package, and then the single items that I bought separately are all gonna be down in below. It does help me out if you do want to purchase any of these items. Click that link, it'll send you exactly to what you need. If you guys have any questions at all about the package or any of these products or how to use them, stuff like that, comment down below. If you already have these products, comment down below, let me know how you like them, and stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. For me, I'll be doing a couple videos on certain products, or maybe just a huge wash and detail in the next month or so. I'm not too sure exactly what I want to do. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.
Hey, walk it like I talk it, 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 woo, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, ay, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it.